Now we're going to move on from example 1, turn the page and go to example 2. We're going to have two methods of solving this one. So here's the first method, and let's get our pencil set up here. First thing we're going to do is you'll notice it used to say -7 less than or equal to x minus 4 less than 1. Now what we've done is we've separated this. We've taken that x minus 4, and notice how the x minus 4, it was opening the actual, used to be a less than or equal to sign. Now it looks like greater than or equal to, but it's opening toward the x minus 4, and that is greater than or equal to -7. So that's the first part of the equation, or the inequality. And then we have the word and then we have x minus 4 less than 1. Now that pretty much looks like it was, but notice that the x minus 4 is used twice. It's used here and it's used here. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just work on this one right over here. So the first thing we have to do is we have to add 4 to each side. Now we're really going to kind of treat these both the same. We've got to get x by itself. So we're going to be adding 4 here. We're going to be adding 4 here. You could also put it right there. We're going to be adding 4 here and adding 4 here. Okay, so when this is all said and done, x is left by itself here because those cross off. Those cross off. Again, these are two separate things right now, separated by and. Here's what we're left with. We're left with the x, and then -7 plus 4 is -3. Over on this side, those cross off, left with the x. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? Now, looking here, this is saying x is greater than or equal to -3. So let's look at it this way. X is greater than or equal to -3. Over here, we already have x less than 5. So how this reads now is x is greater than or equal to -3, and x is less than 5. Now, some people feel good enough that they don't need to separate those two, and they know that there's an understood and right in here. So what they can do is, we're really doing the same thing here. We're going to be adding 4 to each expression. We're going to add 4 here, add 4 here, and add 4 here. So we're going to add 4. We're going to add 4. And we're going to add 4. And of course, you could write these below if you wanted to. But again, this comes to -3. And on this, these cross off and become x. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. Now we got the same thing as we did in method 1, a little bit faster, but how we write the solution is like this. We say the solution is all real numbers greater than or equal to -3. And we have to have an and. It's less than 5. Okay, now we'll go here and graph it real quick. So again, the solution is all real numbers greater than or equal to -3 and less than 5. We're going to graph it like this. So it's greater than or equal to -3. So that means we have to have a closed circle on the -3. We're going to have an open circle on the 5. It's less than 5. Can include 5, but it can include -3. Now, it's everything right in here. So think of some numbers that might work there. Would 2 work? Is 2 greater than or equal to -3? Yes. And it's also less than 5. Any number right in here would work.